Hello everyone. Now today we discuss about the chapter number 4, reflection of light. Okay. So the topic is reflection. Reflection is a type of phenomena in which light rays on strike a polished smooth surface such as a mirror are sent back into the same medium. ये एक तरह की एक ऐसी फिनोमिना है जिसमें लाइट क्या होती है, लाइट यानी कि रे ऑफ लाइट जब किसी स्मूथ या पॉलिश्ड की हुई सरफेस पर इंसिडेंट होती है लाइक एज अ मिरर, सो वो क्या हो जाती है, रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाती है। और रिफ्लेक्ट होने के बाद मतलब रिफ्लेक्ट का मतलब है लाइट मुड़ जाती है और वो उसी मीडियम में चली जाती है जिस मीडियम में वो आई है, जिस मीडियम से वो आई है। सो इन दिस वी कैन राइट, so now here we write the definition. Reflection is the phenomena in which light rays on striking a polished smooth surface such as a mirror are sent back into the same medium. ठीक है, this is called reflection. Or this is another phenomenon definition is the bouncing back of light on a smooth or shiny surface of its same medium is called reflection of light. So now we discuss the diagram, the help of diagram. This is the type of mirror as a plane mirror, and the incident light. Incident light means the light fall on the surface. The light ray fall on the surface. This is the incident. After reflection, when after the fall on the surface, in this surface that is mirror, it back, it returns to its same medium where जहाँ से ये आई है। ओके, यानी कि ये सेम उसी मीडियम में चली जाती है जिधर से ये आई है। तो इस फिनोमिना को कहते हैं रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट। एंड इन दिस केस, इन दिस सिचुएशन देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन। देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. One is regular reflection. What is regular reflection? Regular reflection means when a parallel beam of light, this is the mirror, when a parallel beam of light like this, when a parallel beam of light incident on a smooth or shiny surface after reflection, we observe that after reflection they becomes parallel. It's called regular reflection. This is called regular reflection. And same case in irregular reflection. In the irregular reflection, when the light falls on a rough surface, irregular surface or diffuse surface, whatever you can say, when a parallel beam of light incident on this surface after reflection, they does not becomes parallel. They does not becomes parallel after reflection. They does not becomes parallel. This such type of reflection is called irregular reflection or diffused reflection. इसको बोलते हैं diffused or diffused reflection, where the surface is rough. The surface is rough. Okay, so now let's us understand some important terms related to reflection of light. Let us understand some important term related to reflection of light. The first is incident ray. Earlier we said that the ray of light which falls on the mirror means जो light mirror पे incident होती है. The ray of light falls on the mirror और रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस मीन्स जिस पर भी लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट हो, जिससे भी लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट हो. मिरर और रिफ्लेक्टिंग surface is called incident ray. Now this is the point O and this is the A. So OA is incident ray. Figure 1, OA is incident ray. And second is reflected ray. Reflected ray means the ray of light which is sent back. The ray of light which is sent back by the mirror is called the reflected ray. So here is OB is called, OB is reflected ray. And the point of incidence, third point is point of incidence. Point of incidence means the point at which the incident ray strikes the reflecting surface. The reflecting surface of the mirror is called point of incidence. So O is point of O. This is the point O. O is point of. This is the point O. O is point of incidence. Incidence in figure 1. In figure 1. ठीक है. And next is the normal. Normal means the normal is a line draw at line. The normal is a line draw at right angle to the mirror surface. At point of incidence. At point of incidence. So here is in figure is here ON. ON is normal in figure 1. Okay, here ON is normal figure N. And Angle between incident ray and the normal is called incident angle, and angle between normal and reflected ray is called reflected angle. ठीक है, angle of reflection. So this is the reflection, and now we discuss the laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. The first law is the incident ray like this, and the reflected ray OB, OA and OB and normal lie on the same plane of point of incidence. The incident ray, reflected ray and normal lie on the same plane of point of incidence. And the second law is the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Always the angle of incidence is the equal angle of reflection. That is, we can say angle I is equal to angle R. Okay. Now, next is lateral inversion. What is lateral inversion? In this case, this is like as a mirror. Now, when we observe the left hand like this, and we observe the right hand in image. Okay, this is the left hand and this is the right. So the art is very poor, that's why. Okay, so this is the left hand, this is the right hand in image. So जब भी हम मिरर के सामने खड़े होते हैं हम अपना लेफ्ट हैंड दिखाते हैं, इमेज हमेशा राइट हैंड दिखाती है. तो इन दिस केस द नेक्स्ट फिनोमिना इज known as lateral inversion. In this phenomena we write is, now it is a phenomena in which when looked in a plane mirror the left of the object becomes right of the image and vice versa. जब भी हम प्लेन मिरर में देखते हैं तो हम लेफ्ट को राइट देखते हैं, राइट को लेफ्ट देखते हैं, वाइस वर्सा के मीन है जस्ट इस सेंटेंस के अपोजिट. ओके, तो दिस इज द लैटरल इन्वर्जन. Now the characteristics of an image found by a plane mirror, the which properties of the plane mirror is, so the first is the image is found behind the mirror and has the same size of the object. यानी कि पहली प्रॉपर्टीज ये है कि जो इमेज बनती है मिरर में वो तो पहली बात तो मिरर के पीछे बनती है और सेम साइज की बनती है. आपने देखा होगा घर में जो मिरर यूज़ करते हैं वो प्लेन मिरर होता है. दूसरा, द इमेज इज लैटरली इन्वर्टेड, लेफ्ट टू राइट, राइट टू लेफ्ट. ओके. The third is the image is virtual. It virtual कैसे? It can not be received on the screen. यानी कि इसी इमेज को हम स्क्रीन पर नहीं पा सकते, इसलिए कैसी है? वर्चुअल इमेज है. एंड द इमेज इज इरेक्ट, क्योंकि इमेज सीधी बनती है. ठीक है, और बस यही चार प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. अब साथ ही साथ हम बात करने जा रहे हैं द स्फेरिकल मिरर्स. Now today's topic is, next topic is a spherical mirror. So here in your class, in your syllabus, there are two types of spherical mirror. One is concave and one is convex. Two types of mirror, one is concave and one is convex. So the concave mirror is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards, यानी कि जिसकी रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस वो इनवर्ड हो, यानी कि जिसकी आउटर सरफेस पॉलिश हो, लाइक दिस. इसकी आउटर सरफेस पॉलिश है वो दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. एंड विच मिरर इज दिस? द इनर सरफेस इज पॉलिश्ड. दिस इज द convex mirror. And reflective surface is curved like this, and reflective surface is this, the reflecting surface is curved outwards. Here is inwards, here is outwards. So these are the two main difference of the concave and convex mirror and terms related to spherical mirror in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.